How to fix Corn crashing on Steam. First you'll need to go to the library and then right click on the game. Now in the general tab under launch options you'll need to specify -dx11 command in lowercase, and then go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish. Once this is done, you want to make sure that you have the latest GPU update. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to install NVIDIA app in your computer. And then you will need to go to the drivers section and then click on download to download the latest game ready driver. So you will need to download and install the latest one. And once you finish installing it, you will also need to make sure that you have the latest redistributables. So if you search for redist in your browser, click on the first link, and then you will find the second table in this website. Make sure to download the 86 version and the 64 version as well. Download and install both of them individually. And if you have it already installed, just hit the repair button to repair the setup. And once you're done, you will need to restart your computer by clicking on the restart button. And then you will need to open up Steam as administrator like this, right click and run as admin. And then you can launch the game, and that should fix the crashing problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.